Hey YouTube, it's SJ. I'm back again with another unboxing. What is going on after all of this, no taking the L's for like forever? I've got a pair of sneakers to unbox. I have Mr. B. Let's get to it, people. These came via a raffle, and I never win on raffles. Random one, route one came good for me. I still can't believe it. So let's unbox this big box. Gonna speed up now. Gonna speed up right about now. Ta-da! And people, this is my first purple box. First purple box. Ta-da! Look at that. Look at that. It's a bit dusty, which is a bit odd, but you know, let's get to it. So you've probably read the title, so you know what these are, but I'm going to do all of the usual things if I bring it around the right way. These are Nike SB Dunk Low Pro. They're muslin, black muslin. They're a men's UK 6, which makes them a US 7. You're a European 40, and they're a women's US 8.5. Now, I still can't believe I want to draw on somewhere like Route 1. So I'm like super stoked, because in normal times, shall we say, these would just be a general release and would have been easy to get. But because of COVID and supply issues and blah, 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 these and the Blue Fury were super hard to get. And oh my word, they're nice, Mr. B. Oh, got hair everywhere. They are nice, Mr. B. Very nice. Very, very nice. I'm just going to move this there, so that the overhead can get a little sneak preview. And this is quite funny, because we all know that I'm a blazer girl, and I've only actually got one other pair of Dunks. So these are technically my first SB Dunks. How crazy is that? And they look so tiny. So tiny compared to Mr. B's. That's ridiculous. That is so funny. Now, out of all of the Dunk releases, these are the ones I wanted, because they're just so nice. So nice. You all know that I just like a nice, plain, simple sneaker, and you can't get much better than that. This is super nice, super nice. I'm just going to go to Mr. Overhead Cam just to give you a nice view, and I'm going to actually do this with the other sneaker, because that one had the laces attached. These are so nice, super nice. Now I've got to say, massive shout out to Mr. B, because you could only enter for one entry per household. So he was like, no, you really want those, so you do it. So thank you very much to Mr. B on Sneaker Cam. Thank you. Oh, these are so nice. Right, let's have a look. Let's have a proper look. There are a few creases on them, I've got to say. They were packed a bit weird. So you've got this really nice, I don't want to use the word off-white, it's like a real cream colour, suede here, and it's kind of like that sort of more nubuck style leather. I'm not sure whether it is leather, but it feels more like that nubuck style leather. Then you've got the black swoosh in leather. Then you've got this really nice clay coloured midsole and sole with the black, which is super nice. I'm just going to flip this round here as well. Now on the tongue, it just says Nike SB Dunk Low. Real nice fat tongue as well. And on the inside, that clay colour goes all the way through. It's just real nice. And on the back, actually, real nice padding on the back there. I see why Mr. B really likes these. And on the back there, you've got Nike in gold. I think that's the one thing that I wasn't that sure whether I'd actually like it, because I didn't really like on the Blue Fury, it had the silver at the back. So I wasn't sure whether the gold would look a little bit, you know, gold and silver and sneakers can sometimes look a bit weird, but actually I don't mind that at all. Just real nice. Nice fat laces, black laces. Now there are alternate laces. This sort of creamy colour, same colour as the sneakers, but personally I'm just going to leave the black in because I really like the contrast. I don't think I'm going to switch them out at all. No lace bag, a little bit cheeky. Then on the end of the laces, the lace caps, the aglets, I never pronounced that right. They're gold as well, exactly the same as the gold colour used on the heel tab as well. Just really, really nice dunk, really nice. The materials are actually, like, I know that I said there's some creases on this one. Oddly, it's where they've got so much padding in, like so much, because you've got the padding, then you've got the card, and the card is like really pushed the sides out, so there's creasing on this side bit, which is a little bit irritating, but that's what's caused it. But yeah, just real nice. You're not getting much love, camera, to look at that. Oh, that looks so nice on there. Look at the back. Let's flip it around. Look at that. That's so nice. That sole really pops on them. Really, really pops. That's the front. Yeah, a lot of time for these. Lot of time. Nothing else inside. Now, there's nothing special on the... Sorry, I just had to check my microphone was. I just suddenly had a moment it wasn't on. Yeah, so just checking on the inside. There's nothing particularly special apart from it's just that clay colour that runs all the way through. Just a clean dunk. And as I said, you know, this would have just been a normal GR if it hadn't been for COVID. But these are selling for like $200 plus, depending on your size, on StockX at the moment, which is kind of insane, really, just absolutely insane. But super stoked I got them. These are going to get worn. These aren't going to sit in the closet. These are definitely getting worn. Mr. B, thoughts on these?
I really like them. I'm going to really want to look at the materials. That side leather is kind of nuts.
It is. It's really nice. As I said, no, you could just see it here.
Let me look there. Ah, yeah.
That's just where.
Focus on that. There we go.
That little line creasing. It's where, as I said, the cardboard inside has like really pushed it out in a weird way. Mm-hmm. Slightly irritating, but just one of those things. But yeah, real nice sneaker. And as I said, this is sort of my first dunk, which is really weird. I don't know. I'm a blazer girl. This feels weird. This feels weird. How big are my feet going to look in them? See, this is why I've always been like, I'm not sure if I want a pair of SB dunks, because I always think that they're going to look really big on my feet. But I don't know. I'm putting these on now because they kind of go with what I'm wearing. And on that note, people, if you haven't already, and you like what we're doing here on Pint of Stuff, give us the old subscribe because that really does help. And if you like this video, give us the old thumbs up. Leave us a comment as well. Did you get these? Did you get the Blue Fury? Let us know your thoughts. Do you like them? Do you not like them? Leave us a comment below. Always good to hear what you're thinking. And if you didn't know, we stream every Sunday. That's me and Mr. B behind the camera there, which is Sneaker Streamer Sunday. And that's at 8 PM here in the UK, which is about 12 PM over on the West Coast, 3 PM on the East Coast, where we talk about sneakers, the news, just generally what is going on. It's a bit of fun, so come along and join us if you don't already. And yeah, I haven't really got anything else to say, but these are super, super nice. And I'm super stoked that I actually won a raffle type thing. Still can't believe it, to be honest, but yeah. Putting these on and I'm out of here. See you later. They're so nice, Mr. B. Well, nice. Mm-hmm. You like?
Yeah, I really, really like
right,
them.
That bang is the dog wagging his tail. So I think, Huxley, I think they've passed the Huxley test. We haven't done the Huxley test for a while. Huxley, do you like these? No, they kind of match you. I think that's a yes. I think the dog likes these. They're a winner. Right, I'm out of here. Catch you later, people. Bye.